In this video, we're going to learn how to use the jQuery UI to create select menus. So let's create a simple select menu using the select tag inside our first div. So we're going to give it an ID. Okay. So let's call it strength, because we're going to be looking at some personal qualities or personal strengths. So, and also we're going to have a label just before. So label for strength. And let's put some text there. So for example, select your biggest strength. Okay. Okay, let's have a list of options inside the select tag. Okay, so first one, motivation. Then creativity, curiosity, for example, integrity. Well, these are really important qualities, and modesty. Okay, and let's choose creativity as our selected. One, okay. We can add a name as well to our select menu. So let's give it a name, strength as well. Okay, so now let's go for the piece of code we need to style this select menu using the jQuery UI. Okay, before we do this, let's add a line break just before the select menu. Okay, that looks better. Okay, now we're going to select the select menu using its ID. So the ID is strength. Okay, and then we're going to use the method select menu. You can see that we've got our drop-down menu styled, okay, using the jQuery UI. We can change the width of the select menu just by, okay, let's go to our style section. Let's set the width to 200 pixels, for example. That looks better. Okay. Now we're going to create another select menu inside the second div, and this time we'd like to have groups of qualities. So let's, for example, we can have the first three qualities as inside one group, and the last couple of ones inside another group. Okay, so the way to do that is going to be by using option groups. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy our select menu inside the second div. Okay, if you want, you can place this inside a form. That's better because it's usually a form. Okay. Okay, so as we said, so the first three elements, we're going to have them inside a group or options group. So okay, what we're going to do, we're going to use the opt group tag. Okay, and we're just going to copy these three inside the tag. All right. That's the first group, and then the second group, you can have the same thing. And we're going to copy these two inside. Okay. So if we refresh the page, okay, well, we need to use the select menu again. So we are going to access the ID of this select menu. Okay, we need to give this one an ID, strength 2, strength 2. Okay. Okay, let's also have a label just before that. Okay, now we're going to select the second select menu using its ID, which is strength 2. And we're going to use the same method, select menu. Okay, so let's refresh the page and see how it works. Okay, let's style this as well. Okay, so that looks better. Okay, we don't see any groups yet. Okay, and the reason is because we don't have any labels for our groups. So the first group, we're going to give it a label, group 1. Okay, and the second group, we're going to give it also a label, group 2. And now we're going to be able to see them. All right, so we cannot select the group itself, but we can select all the elements inside the group.